Want to create bibliographies easily and organize the sources you find while researching? Zotero may be the tool for you. Find out what Zotero is, how to use it, and how to learn more in 3 quick steps. Zotero is free software you download to your computer. It works on either Macs or PCs. Using the Firefox or Chrome browser, you can gather sources from the sites where you do your research. Then organize and keep track of all your research sources in your Zotero library. Once you save sources to Zotero, you can quickly create bibliographies in Microsoft Word or Google Docs, thereby saving you lots of time and making you a happy researcher. Let's take a quick look at how Zotero helps you organize sources, keep track of your research ideas so you can write more efficiently, and creates bibliographies. First, let's find some research sources. Use a search tool like Google Scholar or a library database. Open a source you're interested in, and then use the Zotero browser connector to save the source to your Zotero library. Now, let's get organized. Create folders in your Zotero library. Then drag and drop sources between folders to stay organized. How can Zotero help you keep track of your work? Zotero can save and store PDF files. Use Zotero Notes to record your thoughts while reading. Now your PDFs, notes, and citation information live in one place, making it easier to keep track of your work and start writing. And now for the best part, creating bibliographies. Once you have saved research sources into your Zotero library, use those sources to create bibliographies. Here are 2 examples. First, select the sources you want to use, then drag and drop those sources into a doc. This is a great way to start an annotated bibliography. Or, to create in-text citations and a bibliography, use the Zotero tools integrated into Microsoft Word or Google Docs to add citations using thousands of available citation styles. Then, create your bibliography. The best way to learn more about using Zotero is to practice. Here are 3 practice steps to try. Install the Zotero library and browser connector from zotero.org. Next, find several sources using a search tool like Google Scholar and add them to your Zotero library using the browser connector. Last, create a bibliography by dragging and dropping sources from Zotero into a doc. How else can you learn more? Explore step-by-step instructions for using and troubleshooting Zotero written by OSU librarians. Google OSU Libraries Zotero to find the website. Want one-on-one help? Google OSU Libraries Ask a Librarian to talk to a live human via chat, email, or phone about your questions. Or attend a live Zotero Q&A session by Googling OSU Libraries workshops to find the most current schedule. Thanks for watching and happy Zoteroing!